What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to see your total views on your YouTube channel. So if you were ever curious how many views you have in total on YouTube, there's two ways of how to do this. One which is easier but a little bit outdated, and one which is takes a little longer but shows you the most accurate number. So I'll show you the easy way first. You're going to want to navigate to your channel, so just click in the top right up here and click your channel. Once that loads, I have this private video here. So just go to the About tab right here, and then you'll be able to see your total channel views. But the issue with this number is it's actually like a couple days behind. Updates to the YouTube website take a little bit longer than updates to YouTube Studio, and that's just because everybody can see the YouTube website, where YouTube Studio you only have access to your own YouTube Studio. So those servers, they're a lot easier to maintain for YouTube. But so yeah, you'll see like your total channel views, but this one's a little bit outdated. So if you want to see the most accurate thing, go to the top right and then click YouTube Studio. I'm just going to close this. I'm just going to let this load. Walk you guys through this complete process here. YouTube Studio might take a little longer to load because it's a heavy website, but it's okay because once it loads, we can go down to channel analytics right here, or you can just click the analytics tab, either one. Okay, so you'll see this graph, but this is for the last 28 days, right? And you want to see for the entire lifetime of your channel. So just click see more right here. It's going to pop up a modal here, like a big screen. And then you'll see in the top right up here, last 28 days. So you can change this, just click the arrow to lifetime. So when you change it to lifetime, you're going to see your total channel views, and it's going to be up to date. So I'll show you the difference right here. So as you can see, I actually have a total of 100,365 views, not 98,000 like it said on YouTube. Like I said, that's a couple days behind. So yep, there you go. That's your up-to-date total channel views, like up to the day you're seeing this graph. So that's how you see it in YouTube. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe.